Right, hello everyone, my name is Robin, I'm a PhD student from Belgium, mostly active in the Quick and HTTP working groups and also a bit in TSV area. But I'm now doing that on the weekends. I'm actually a longsword fencer, so if you look me up on YouTube you will see me getting my ass kicked. True story. Alright, good evening everyone, my name is Robin Marx and I'm the president of the NBA. And I would like to tell you today a bit of a story. It's about a group of managers, and they are having a meeting. And the meeting has two agenda items. The first one is on the design of a new nuclear power plant, with a total budget of over $15 billion. The second item is on the design of the accompanying bike shed to that power plant. Now, the first item is discussed, and pretty soon one of the managers proposes a brand new proposal, much more complex than the others. This is immediately burned down and the original proposal is quickly accepted. This all takes about 15 minutes. The next 45 minutes then are spent deciding on whether to paint the bike shed red, green, blue or yellow. And if this would have been the IETF, the decision would have been postponed pending feedback from the mailing list. So this is a short version of the story of where the term bike shedding comes from. Typically meant to mean spending a disproportionate time and energy on something insignificant. This is a term often used in the IETF and rarely with a positive connotation. It's almost always negative or derogatory. I actually think that's quite offensive and kind of discriminatory against me and my organization. Because as I said before, I am the president of the NBA, the National Bike Shed Engineering Association. We actually design, build and evaluate these setups. And I find it quite ironic that you as the IETF look down on us. Because the work that you do, I think, is so obscure, almost no one has heard about these protocols. Well, the things that we do are included on some of the most well-known landmarks in the world. For example, the Burj Khalifa, tallest building in the world. Guess what? That's a bike shed. The Great Wall of China has multiple. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal? No Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Not many people know this. This is actually one big bike shed. There is even a bike shed. This is not going on my time. There is even a bike shed in the International Space Station. And you would laugh, but cycling is actually one of the only ways that astronauts can keep in shape while in space. Well, that and of course American football. So the reason I think that you look down on us is because you think we are not real engineers, that we do not really tackle the hard, difficult technical challenges that you do. And I think that is completely untrue. This week I've observed you and you've been talking about things like PMTU and PMTU discovery. We've also had difficulties with people trying out testing the maximum limits. I've heard people talking about DNS over HTTPS. And we have had our share of crackpots coming up with all kinds of nonsensical proposals as well. Let me tell you. The only way to deal with this is to ignore these people and just let the problem go away. I've heard about a quick protocol which has a lot of layering violations to make things work better together and to make things faster. Well, we've had that for decades. And you're only now starting to think about how to bring this to the wider public with things like web transport. Well, for us, that's practically a solved problem. Let me tell you, this is going to be much harder than you think it will be. Now, the worst thing is that you think that you have it bad when you talk about distributed denial of service attacks, while we have Dutch people. Now, I realize it is bad form to bring you a problem without proposing a better alternative. So what I propose to do is that we extend the definition of bike shedding just a little bit, and also include things that might have looked interesting at the start, but have actually turned out to underperform in practice. When we do this, I think we can find many examples within the IETF. Someone gave me a list. And let me know if I get this right, because I don't know anything about this, of course. So, alternatives for bike shedding. The first one is spin bitting. HTTP public key pinning. HTTP2 server pushing. HTTP2 prioritizing. HTTP2 clear texting. I understand now where the HTTP3 talk came from. Let me see. Multicasting, ECN, SCE, and L4Sing, and path layering. I'm sorry about that one right in here. So I think this can work quite well. So let's try that. Let's try to use one of the alternatives. Let's use spin bitting as a strawman here. So you can, for example, say, let's stop spin bitting this. We are not going to put it in DNS anyway. You can also say, we've wasted enough time spin bitting on this. Let's flip a coin. And my favorite, let's stop spin bitting on this and just put it in DNS. So I think the message is clear. Please treat us with a bit more respect. Let's use one of the alternatives instead of bike shedding. And with that, I would like to make the floor for two of my esteemed colleagues, Jake and Janine from Yak Shavers International and Strawman Inc.